Next is modern transport and communication system. This growing sense of unity and nationalism was further strengthened when the British introduced a new network of roads, railway, and the post and the telegraph system. So, British introduced these new networks so that they can communicate and transport the goods from one area to the other area easily. But by establishing this, the Indian people, they, the sense of unity and nationalism, it more strengthened. That means it had become more strong. Social mobility and interaction increased. So with the help of transport and communication system, social mobility and interaction among the people was increased, because the earlier there was no proper route, no railway system through which people can go to other parts of a country and they can communicate. But now they can communicate through post and telegraph system, they can write letters. So with the help of the transport and communication system, the sense of unity and nationalism, it further strengthened. Caste barrier broke down. So with the help of transport and communication system, caste barrier broke down. People from different parts of the country grew closer to each other. They realized that they share common problem, common aspiration, and common goals. They belong to one nation. So with the help of transport and communication system, people started learning about the problems of other community. They started coming closer to one another, and they even realized that their problem are same, and even their main problem was that British rule, whatever the British rule were doing with them, their main problem was that, and they even understand what are the different goals, and even their goals were common. That means different communities, they have the same goal, and finally they realize that they are one nation. Next is rediscovery of the India's glorious past. Several British governor general and other officials had propagated ideas of the rational inferiority of the Indians and their inability to govern themselves. So with the rediscovery of India's glorious past, we come to know that with the help of different governor general, they said that the Indian people, they cannot work together, they don't have the ability to govern themselves. This is the main reason why the Indians are being ruled by the British rule, because India cannot rule with themselves. They are not capability of to run their own country. The self esteem and self worth of India had touched rock bottom. So with the invention or discovery of the Indians' glorious past, they finally realized that it was, you can say, uh, the feeling of nationalism and the spirit of patriotic feelings for our country, it rises, and finally it touched to the rock bottom. That means it is now limitation, we cannot bear more than this, because they are insulting our Indians. Then came the rediscovery of a past that was a great and glorious. It was a past that could boast of the intellectual richness of Vedic philosophy, the political unity and administrative wisdom of the Mauryas, the golden age of Guptas, and the cultural brilliance of the Mughals. So with the rediscovery of our past, we come to know what are the different intellectual richness of Vedic philosophy, what are the political unity and administrative system which was done by the Mauryas, and how the Guptas and the Mughal period was. So with the help of the rediscovery of our past, we our nationalism feeling become more strong. These discoveries were made by the European scholars like William Jones, Alexander Cunningham, James Prinsep, and the other Indologists who research India's historical past and reveal its rich heritage. So with the help of the foreign, or you can say European scholar, that means the William Jones, Alexander Cunningham, James Prinsep, and the other Indiologists, they help us to understand what actually the India's past was and what was its rich heritage. These revelation instill in the Indians feeling of national pride and self-confidence. So with the help of these revelation, there was India's feeling for national pride. We should feel proud because our Indian past was so glorious, and we are now the people, they become more self-confident among themselves and inspire them to dream of a new resurgent India. So with the help of the rediscovery of our past, the feeling of national pride increases, we gain more self-confidence among themselves, and they even inspired that we can have a you can say a nation which will be free from any rule, that means the British rule, and we can make our own India and our own constitution.